Hey folks, back with you again. Second time in one day. I just said I'd come out here. I have a few bits and pieces of stuff out here in the shed that never really get featured in any of the videos. Because I never really think of doing it, but I just was looking at something else there earlier on. And I said I'd come out and do a video of some pieces of test gear I have out here. I have this guy here. It's old school transistor checker. It's made by TTC Quality Electronics. It's a transistor checker C3022 and does the various different configurations of transistor, forward and reverse, and it's handy, it works. Good friend of mine gave me this, Mick. He's a good ham friend of mine. He's been licensed since 1960, and he really looks after me. He's been in electronics repair since our Lord was in short trousers, and he's always coming up with some stuff to give me. I was in with him there yesterday, Friday, and he gave me a lovely Heath kit valve voltmeter. It does true RMS and a whole pile of other stuff. It's not here at the moment, it's in the boot of the car, and herself's gone off in the car, so that'll be a video for another day. And this here then, VHF wave meter. This is like one of these kits that you used to get out of magazines, and it does work. It works quite well. There goes the knob. All this stuff works. So that's that. The transistor checker. This thing does work, but I have to repair it. It's a circuit. This stuff was popular in the 80s. It's a FET dip oscillator, and it does work. I just have it apart there because just having a look at the insides of it. So as you can see there, there's quite a lot going on in there. It does work. Nice neat little kit. I think you just got these and you just assembled them yourself. That was the deal with all that circuit stuff. They done quite a various amount of kits. This one here, I've had this a long time, and it's quite a handy piece of test gear. It's a Reese RS107 transceiver test master. It measures power up to a kilowatt. It's 10 watts, 100 watts and a kilowatt, and also it does power, SWR, modulation. You can check crystals, plug your crystal in and check that it's working and all of that. I got the instruction manual off one of the guys on Transmission 1 there, Coburg. He sent me a PDF copy of it. Thanks for that, Kevin. And you know, these things seem to be kind of hard got, or maybe a lot of this stuff got tossed out, I don't know. Another very unusual piece, I think, well, I never seen one before I got this, is this. It's a Z4WY. It's a Decatur resistance unit. Basically you can set up resistance in whatever configuration you need it, and you connect your wire here into whichever circuit you're applying the resistance to or whatever, and you can set it up whatever way you want it to work, and it does work it does work quite well. And I have here this then, a very old Walford Electronics DFM 2000 frequency counter. Now it works kind of, the readout's a little bit flaky on it for some reason, I don't know why. I never really kind of looked into it because I got myself another frequency counter. Let's get out this. Now this place is a bit of a tip at the minute. Now hold on, I put the camera down, don't want to drop it. Now there we go. This is the Cobra man might like this. He's into the Marconi stuff. It's Marconi power meter. It will measure AF as well. And another one my friend Mick gave me. It's quite an old piece, this, from sometime in the 60s. And it works quite well. It's in reasonable nick as well. The top of it hinges up here, and you can connect in here. So I haven't actually used it, but Mick says it works fine. If he says it works, it works. So anything else here I can show you. The old, like I said, the place is a bit of a mess at the minute. It's the carbs off my bike. It's an empty jumbo case I have there. So I'll do another video tomorrow maybe on the heat kit voltmeter. It needs a little bit of tidying up just to get it sorted out again, but it'll be fine. Loads of junk knocking around the place here. A couple of power supplies. They do work. Just kind of spare ones, I suppose. There's more stuff up there. That PC works as well. You never know what you'd find in this place. But I just said I'd do a video on some of this old test gear I have anyway, and show it to you. This big old radio here, a friend of mine gave me as well. Big old valve job. We'll have a go at doing that up at some point. You can see here all the different places on the dial. There's Cork, and this here is Athlone, where I live. There used to be a big transmitter here. It was put up for the Pope's visit in 1932, and it was two 320-foot towers with a big dipole type antenna strung between them. But they recently knocked one of them down. I'll tip out that far someday and maybe shoot a bit of a video of the remaining tower that's there. It's still being used. RTE, our national broadcaster, have they stopped using it years ago, and one of the towers, the one that's remaining, has a lot of mobile phone type equipment on it now, so they're probably making a few quid out of it that way, but it probably costs a lot of money to keep the tower maintained and make sure that it's okay and stuff like that. So maybe that's the reason they dropped the second tower, which was literally what they done. They just cut the stays and let it fly. So that's about the size of it for now, folks, and we'll be back again real soon with a couple more videos on something else. So 7 threes, and thanks for watching. Bye.